Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to create and publish a new blog post on WordPress. Why would you want to know how to create and publish a new blog post on WordPress? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to create and publish a new blog post on WordPress. So today I am going to show you how to create and publish a new blog post on WordPress. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating and publishing a new blog post on WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will create and publish a new blog post on WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu and then click on add new. Now in this page you can easily post your blog, but first create your blog. I will create my blog from ChatGPT, and then you can copy this and paste it on WordPress. And now click on publish and your blog has been posted on WordPress. So there you go. If you were wondering how to create and publish a new blog post on WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.